Welcome back. I'm Larry. So tonight we're going to be talking about something that I've been asked a couple of times about in one of my past videos where I installed the old school style hydraulic trailer brakes in my 1976 Ford truck. Well, I installed them in my 1977 Ford truck as well. And so there's something I want to share. So let's go ahead and jump into it and take a look at what I'm talking about. Okay, so I recently installed trailer brakes on my 77 as well. Just that way I will have trailer brakes on both trucks. No matter which truck I drive, I can pull whatever trailer I want. Now I've had the trailer brakes itself, as far as the module inside, that's been hooked up for a while, but this is what I want to talk about. This block right here, it is a hard to find part nowadays for these trucks because I've noticed I can find older ones with the bigger fitting up here, but on these trucks and even into the 80s, I believe, they had a smaller fitting for the rear brakes, and it's hard to find that. Well, I finally found it here at a local shop, and I was lucky to find it. I just took the one that I did have that my buddy, Jesse at 6B Media, shout out to him, I appreciate it. He gave me the one he had on his truck because he took it off. I took that one to the shop and they matched up, and they were able to, they had some. I got two while I was there just to have them on hand in case I need them later on. But this is it. It's a brass fitting adapter. The part number is a 7914. And it's hard to see the writing here, but it looks like it says Eaton. There is a website on Grainger. Grainger seems to sell that block when I looked up the part number, and it seems to be the right one. So I will put a link to that in the description if you're interested in it, and you can go there and pick one up for your 73 to 79 or even into the 80s Ford truck, if that's the one you need. But I finally have that installed. And like I said, ran that brake line. I had to bend that myself. I just got a roll of brake line and hand bent it and everything, and tried to make it look as factory as possible so it looks like it came in the truck. Try to keep the same angle with the factory lines, you know, as best I could. And now the entire trailer brake system is finally hooked up on this truck and functioning. So that's really cool, and I'm glad to have that done. And now whenever I hit my brake, my trailer brakes actuate. Just wanted to share that really quick because I got a couple comments on, hey man, where'd you get that block from? And I tell them, I don't know where you get them from. My buddy gave it to me, but I wanted to install on this truck. I didn't ever know where to get one from. So I went to my local shop here. Like I said, they luckily they only had like 4. I should have got all 4, but they're kind of expensive. I think I paid, I want to say it's like $40 a piece for them, which is insane, but it's a hard to find part. So I went in and picked 2 up while I was there. It was either $30 or $40 a piece. And the ones on Grainger is about the same. I think they're about $40, something like that. So, but, that is a place to get them. Like I said, I will put a link in the description so you can click that and go there and purchase one if you're interested. I don't know if Amazon, I didn't think to check Amazon on that, but might can find them on Amazon too. But yeah, so I just wanted to share that so you would know. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. If you want to become a member, you can now do that as well. It's only $1 a month, 99 cents. Just easier to say $1. It's $1 a month. Become a member. Show a little bit of support if you want to. I just put it there just, for the hell of it, just for fun. If you want to show a little bit of support, I appreciate it. And to the ones that are already a member, thank you. I mean, that means a lot to me. I really appreciate it. And I welcome all new members as well. Thank you. I appreciate that for any future members. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the drop box down below. So that's all there is for this one. So until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.